Addressing the media on the 2nd of August 2022, the president of the Hynniewtrep National Youth Front, West Jaintia Hills, W Sutong, informed reporters about the illegal appointment of staff in the health department in the district. W Sutong had informed media persons that the organization had recently discovered that there have been irregularities in the recruitment and appointment of staff. W Sutong had informed media persons that the organization had recently discovered that there have been irregularities in the recruitment and appointment of staff by the District Medical and Health Officer, West Jaintia Hills, wherein it was learned that since 2014, around 19 persons had been appointed without having qualified to the position, even as deserving candidates who had passed the exams of the District Selection Committee of the state were never notified of vacancies in the concerned department. The Hnyf president further urged upon the office of the DMNHO West Jaintia Hills to instead appoint qualified persons against vacancies in the department, while at the same time terminating all contractual staff who have not passed any exam conducted by the DSC or similar committees and boards for appointment to various positions in the health department of the district.
Haka shitrik bunai basau arjar artuar ngilapa kadon kajing tungkam sop lani ke illegal appointment ya ki staff haki department per jong ki health department badon po West Jaintia ya kini belenga ong bak kidei ki illegal namar ba la appoint ki claim da khot advertise wa ya kini ki post kabar pat la appoint ki kini ki pru ki pompat dep ya ban pule lani pompat dep ya ka district selection committee ni ka DSC kabalai pat kolong ba ya kini ki claim khot ni ki claim conduct wat ya ka exam ro tinagal yang jongi kum geseng ni dap kijing sngo si bat kijing sngo khia ka bakrau namar ba kurpom tungkam tungjam hapo bajela jongi nyo iba kamlong balong transparency ba namar labat bor beda ki officer ni yola si ya don tilang bat ki minister ro ngampat tibi kata te yakini ki brula appoint na do usnem arjar khatsau hadu khat khandai ngut te nagalyang jonga kawai galong ga jingkli ba bale hapo ka district ngidon ni yakitu ki khna ki bala pass ke DSC bedang don ga waiting list lada long ka bakerke bali kim khot shwai gine ban bali kim appoint shwai gine ki DSC bedang don ga waiting list bali kim khot pat ki wei tes ko weru nga sngo ban ong ba gine ki khna bala pass ki DSC bakin sngo ba ban wan shekmat ban terwa leni ban ujor lang ban dawa ya ka hok jongki ba maki kila pas ka exam de ban thung shwa yaki bat sekawero haden bangila mi nang ni ngin sei kendo yo director ba untarnet no sisendon imtai di yaki ne ki briu ki bala kila thung na do usnem arjar khatsau bat yaki ne ki briu ro yaki ne ki staff ro la appoint da u la appoint da DMHO jong ka West Jaintia ulit o doktor bianglang lato te yekeni long ngin ai jing tho no how director jong ka hel ba un tarnit no sisendon balada umshim kya lor gani kam ngina kalyang jong seng ngidon pat de ka we kalat kalanti ban ujor kam shenang